Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. On this device we've got only one way to block a number using kind of the dialer settings. So let's open the dialer, and here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents, the call history or speed dial. All you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Right here we've got blocked numbers option, so let's tap. And as you can see, this is our blacklist. All we have to do is to tap on add a number, and as you can see, we can freely enter the number. You can of course paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. It will immediately appear on this blacklist, which simply means that you will now receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. What is more, here we've got the option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically it means that after activating it, your device will block incoming calls from all unidentified callers. So it's up to you if it is useful or not. What is more, we've got we can unblock the number, of course, just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear from the blacklist. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.